Welcome to this technical guide on the Xiaomi Vacuum S12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue with the Xiaomi Vacuum S12 is that it keeps stopping unexpectedly during operation. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as a blockage in the system or a faulty component. If this problem is not addressed promptly, it can lead to more significant damage and may even render your vacuum unusable. To resolve this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement wheel assembly for the vacuum. First, ensure the vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the dust container. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew them gently, taking care not to strip them. Once the screws are removed, you can use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry apart the casing. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any nearby components. Once the casing is open, you should see the internal components, including the wheel assembly. The issue often lies within the wheel itself, which can become obstructed or damaged. Inspect the wheel closely, and if you identify any debris or damage, it's crucial to replace it. To do this, gently disconnect any cables attached to the wheel assembly, noting their positions to ensure proper reassembly later. Once the wires are disconnected, remove the faulty wheel by unscrewing it from its mount using the Phillips screwdriver. Take your new wheel assembly and align it correctly before securing it in place with the screws. Reconnect the cables carefully, ensuring they are not pinched or damaged. After the new wheel is installed, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Align the casing back together and ensure all clips are securely fastened. Replace the screws on the bottom of the vacuum, tightening them just enough to hold the casing together without overstressing the plastic. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to check if it runs smoothly without stopping. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean the vacuum's wheels and ensure there are no blockages in the suction pathway. Additionally, keep an eye on the overall condition of the vacuum and replace parts as necessary to maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.